flexion stop kit allows the flexion range of motion to be adjusted between 0 and approximately 90 degrees. There are many parts to the flexion stop kit as it allows it to be fitted on our historical braces. Remove hinge stickers from both hinges. If you need additional space, you can add the additional kidney-shaped spacer underneath the flexion stop plate. Mount the flexion stop plate to the hinge using the longer slotted flathead screws. You will need 2 for each plate. Settle the flexion angle using the included goniometer. The holes are set at approximately 10 to 14 degree increments, with A approximately 0 and I approximately equal to 90 degrees. Place the slotted screw on the outside of the plate in the desired flexion angle and attach it to the roller on the inside of the hinge plate and tighten. If needed, use 1 or more washers to ensure that the roller sits in position on the frame. Repeat the same process for the other side. If required, the flexion stop plate can be contoured to optimize positioning. Check the angle and that the rollers are engaging nicely with the hinge arms. If you would like to remove the flexion stop plate, simply undo the screws and apply the hinge sticker over the hinge plate.